Let's have a real talk about Google and Yahoo updates. You see thousands of YouTubers and other marketers focusing narrowly on technical setup. Yes, you need to have technical setup, and I will show you this as well. But technical setup is one-time thing. You set it up for domain name and you are done. It's pretty easy to do. But there is a third update almost nobody is talking about because this is very difficult to talk about. It's difficult to tell you that you will have to go out of your way to be compliant, and this is not a one-time thing. You have to go and stay on it month after month, week after week, maybe day after day, depending how often you send. And this is why they are not talking about it, because this is not a quick fix you can just buy and have it done. This is not a quick video you can just watch and be done. This is continuous thing you need to do to win, to not have your domain blacklisted. Google on the blog post says officially that it only affects people sending more than 5,000 emails per day. But I tested and I registered a new domain name and I sent less than 100 emails and my email did land in spam. So I would say this third update, which is not technical, may affect also those people who are sending less. So what is this third update? This is what I will be covering on the course. So get the course right now, you find out. But it is an update which you will be focusing on continuously. I will show you two different ways to deal with it. I will show you how to deal with it with a new list. You are registering a new domain name and you are just starting out. So I will show you the first way to deal with that. Also, I will show you the second, bigger, most important way, which works with lists in every size. You're starting out, you have medium lists, or you have lists with 100,000 of people. The second method works for all of them. So guys, get the access to the workshop, and depending when you watch it, you can either be live with me on the workshop, or you will get recording for a workshop. But guys, even if this is like a month from now, really get it, because this third Google update is not going anywhere. It is not like you just set it up and you forget about it. You will be focusing on this update day after day, week after week, month after month. And I will also give you information about the two different softwares. One of those software is this one, which is helping you to grow from 0 to say 1,000, maybe 2,000. And then I will show you the software which helps you with lists of any size to keep out of this dreaded blacklisting of your sending domain. So guys, get it right now, and I see you on the workshop, or I see you on the recording on the workshop. Take care guys. Bye bye.